Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. This is actually 2 days worth of shopping. I actually picked that up yesterday in Brislington, charity shop. Not quite sure why I bought it. I've done 2 of these kits before. My grandson had a kit 2017, I just checked the date. And he had lost some of the bits, so I actually had the kit and replaced the bits so I could build it. And then I did one again in 2021. So, yeah. And recently I've been using the dinosaur T-Rex as one of my walking robots, solar walking robots that I've been doing a bit of a series on. So I really didn't need to buy it, but I couldn't resist it for some reason. It looks like it hasn't been started. Yeah. Oh, looks like somebody's opened it. That's the gears, but I don't see the motor. Or the solar panel. Right. No motor, no solar panel. So that one's no good. Well, I say it's no good. I have absolutely no doubt I'd still be able to get it working. So that'll be a project. Yeah, that'll be a project to work on. But as it stands, that was a waste of money. If I'd bought that and hoped to build the kit, we wouldn't get it working. Yeah, no motor, no solar panel. But I have quite a few similar with the right sort of size motors. Oh, I wonder if we got the... Yeah. The gearbox is there, so they've just pinched the motor and the solar panel out of it. Oh, that's annoying. But as I say, I can probably get around that. In fact, one of them that I put together, I was running it off a supercapacitor anyway, instead of a solar panel. Right, so that was yesterday, and then today out at Yate. Can't remember which charity shop this was. Oh, Blue Cross, I think. Anyway, picked it up. I have had one of these, maybe not the same body shell, but the same basic car quite a few years ago. 1992 Tommy. I'm pretty sure it is radio controlled. It's got a little nickel metal hydride battery in it. And looking at that, that looks like that's got corrosion around the charging socket there. So I expect the battery is no use whatsoever. I just thought it'd be an interesting thing to buy, take apart, and see if we can get it going with some other radio control and some other battery. So we will go straight in and have a look, see what we got inside. If I can find the link to the video that I did with a similar car in the past, I will put it in the video description. Because although it doesn't have steering, as I remember it, the gearbox, if you drive the motor backwards, then the gearbox swaps over to do differential steering. You'll see at the moment, turn the back wheel and the front wheel's turning with it. If I turn it the other way, then that wheel and that wheel turns at the same time. So when the motor goes one way, all the wheels turn in the same direction. When the motor goes the other way, those are not turning and these ones are. So that's how it does the steering. Right, there we are, 2 nickel metal hydride batteries. A good layer of corrosion over everything. Brown wire appears to be the aerial wire that goes on there, and that's been broken off. That should be a little springy aerial sticking up. Red wire, positive, has fallen off the nickel metal hydride battery there. And black, yeah, that's fallen off there as well. It's just where they've corroded right the way through. I doubt whether that battery's any use. And then we got the receiver. Oh, well, let's take the rest of it apart so we can look. I did buy some of these little nickel metal hydride batteries and replaced them in one of the little cars that I've worked on. They were still available. That was a few years back. Nothing written on there, but you can be fairly sure that it'll be 2, well, it is 2 nickel metal hydride batteries. So 1.2 volts, 2.4 volts. We could try putting some voltage on there. Oh, because we've no idea what frequency it is. Nothing written on this side of it. Sun's just coming out. It's been raining. Right, I would guess along there that's 27 megahertz, 35 megahertz, 45 megahertz, 57 megahertz. And there probably should be a tick against one of them to indicate which one it is. But as it is, we have no way of knowing. And then those 2 tags there are where you plug in the charger. Go to there and to there. So it's a CharG 4-wheel drive. And as I say, we've got a clever gearbox arrangement. When it's going forwards, it goes straight, and when it's going backwards, it turns. (1992) Tommy. No, not seen any indication what the voltage is, what the frequency is. Shall we go a bit further and have a look at the actual gearbox? I've just got a feeling we might have to get the wheels off the axles to actually get it apart. Let's have a look at the other side. Yeah. Not going to be easy to get them off. In fact, no, we're definitely on a loser. We're going to have to get those wheels off. I don't think I'm going to get this apart without damaging it. So rather than go all the way and damage it now, what I will do is see if we can put a battery on it and see if we can get any response from any of my transmitters and receivers. I certainly haven't got a 57 megahertz. I might have a 45, I might have a 35. I've definitely got plenty of 27s. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.